Floofy, your chicken butt. Don't bite me. Ow. Ow. Or Jill. I didn't do anything wrong. Yet. Stop being so mean. Ouch. Okay, I'm done with you. You're mean. Yeah, look what he did to my hands. Son of a... Oh well. Floofy. Don't do it. Stop it. I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna walk this way. Leave me be. Thank you. Okay. We're good. I think. Alright. Little chickens. Shirley, get in there with your babies. They're over there standing by the door. That's their mommy right there. But they're all sitting there and she's out here not doing her job. Oh, that kind of hurt actually. I'm not gonna lie. Floofy chicken, why are you gotta be so mean to me? I don't think he likes my shoes. There's Albert. Albert, what are you doing? Why do you look like that? I swear, they all have grown up so much from just like 3 months, honestly. They were all babies when we got them at first, but now they're having babies. Baby chicken butts. Alright, if you wouldn't mind, you guys, please subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to get to 50. I mean, it really does mean a lot. Leave comments down below as you wish. I mean, I pin all my comments, honestly, because I appreciate you guys watching my videos. But, like, I mean, it just does do me a lot. I mean, I know I'm not, like, one of those big, famous, like, YouTubers out there, like, you know, Mr. Beast and all those kind of people. But I mean, I'm working on what I got with, you know what I mean? Hi, Teddy. What are you doing, Teddy? Teddy chicken. Hi, Teddy. What are you doing?